वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और जैसे कि पहले वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था कि हमने केशव कार के वर्कशॉप कवर किया था। उस वर्कशॉप में ये आप देख सकते हैं लवली जिप्सी किंग। तो इसे हमने कवर नहीं किया था क्योंकि वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाती। तो नाउ इट्स टाइम दैट वी रिव्यू दिस कार कम्प्लीटली। उससे पहले हम कुछ सिनेमेटिक शॉट्स देखेंगे, देन आई विल टेक यू टू द डिटेल्स ऑफ द कार अलॉन्ग विद केशव सर।
In the next stop, throw a rollie with a iced out, touched out. I see when the time's out, get my burst out, fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you voting me. Got no kids, got me daddy of the day. I be rich and no money, that's the thing. Got no queen, but I'm treated like a king. Ay, I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser? You a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another chance, Dre. Get the fuck out my face, I don't wanna. Hey, yeah, on my days, tell me on my days. I've been ballin', yes I'm ballin' every day. Yeah, the boxing, all you gotta catch a fade. I'm a alley, you can boy, you out of way. I've had enough of your shit, I'm about to rage. Get my burst out like I'm in a game. Another 3 shots, take you to a place. Stop around, two rounds, ain't came my gown. Pull it out like somebody calling me now. Who this? Picking up my phone. Roll with me, I put your body on the ground. Hey, hey, oh baby, you don't need a thing. Oh no.
केशव भाई से पूछते कि उन्होंने इस जिप्सी में क्या क्या करवाया है, क्या किया है, आपको बताइए।
Hi guys, yeah. See, as I said, it's a 2017 model Gypsy King.
Okay.
It was actually being bought one of my good friend as well as a customer of mine.
Okay.
He's a very high-end customer. His name is Mr. Prithvi.
Okay.
They are totally into off-roading. जैसे आपने पहले मेरा गाड़ी जो दीपांकर ने शूट किया था about that MM540.
Correct.
Which is totally done up.
The red one.
Yeah, those days actually I was not there. I missed out the shoot. I was been traveling. This is the same troupe of people, you know. They keep going for off-roading.
Okay.
So actually he's been nicknamed as Mr. Bahubali in their team. Yeah, okay. He looks so gigantic and is a very smart person.
Okay.
So this car belongs to him.
Okay.
So it was actually white in color.
Okay.
When he had picked it up.
Okay.
It was running with a soft top.
Okay.
Then it's been changed to a hard top now. You can just see it's a rally cabin done up.
Okay.
Totally.
So what is this color called?
It's called as silver.
Silver.
Which usually this color is been launched by Suzuki on their Brezza.
Okay.
So this the same.
Is that the exact color?
Yes, it's the Brezza silver which we have used on the same color.
Okay.
Particularly Mr. Prithvi wanted this color.
Okay.
And this is a custom-made bumpers.
By?
Mr. Prad. You know, you have heard of this Prad? Yeah. And they are my very good friend,
okay.
Especially Rakesh and Pradeep,
okay.
Both of them, and we do have a tie-up.
Okay.
Most of their cars, you know, which have been customized there.
तो उनसे भी मेरा कभी बात करा ये?
Yeah, obviously yes. Even they would love to. And all their cars, the cosmetics have been done here.
Okay.
Like body work, painting jobs. They keep sending, referring.
Okay.
And this is running with an Prad's bumper.
Okay.
It looks like an ARB, the original ARB bumpers, which has a fog lamp. And apart from that, in this car, and in this car, the one more specialization is that it's running with called as Nano suspension.
Okay.
Usually in Gypsies, there'll be more than 6 to 7 spring blades.
Okay.
You can see here, this car is running with a single blade,
okay.
The front and as well as the rear.
Okay.
And those are the differential guards. You can see the red in color to protect your differentials when you are using the car on off-roading. वो लाल वाला जो दिख रहा है आपको, that is called as a
off-roading setup ही है.
Yeah. And the wheels are, it actually had a chrome in color. Nice. We have done a sandblasting on the wheels, changed to black and fluorescent.
It looks nice.
Yeah, and the same color is we have matched for the blades also, the suspension. all the four.
Oh, okay, I can see.
And these are the rock sliders. These are the rock sliders. And
Nice.
we did a bit of color change in the dashboard.
Active snorkel?
Yes, that's a snorkel,
Okay.
which has been interlinked to your air filter.
Okay.
Javed, thoda bonnet khuliye. And apart from that, you can see the interiors. Interiors is totally done up.
Nice. Momo steering.
And it's a Momo steering wheel. And one more thing is the car is running with a power steering.
Okay.
And we also install an AC also.
Okay.
The car has- Yes, yes,
was
yes.
this stock AC?
The car comes without an AC and a power steering.
Okay.
This all been custom made now.
Okay.
The car is running with an AC and a power steering also. And one more thing is we have done a fiberglass below the roof
Okay.
so that it's very hard. When you drive in rain, you will not have that sound of rain when you're sitting inside.
Oh, okay, okay.
It will be like an high-end
Okay,
car,
got
how
it,
you're
got
going to drive
got
it.
Okay. यहाँ पे अपने dials भी सब
Yeah,
paint हो गए।
paint
AC
कर दिया.
vents.
Yeah, AC bands and the
Nice.
speedometer bezel has been painted, and it's having an CB radio, which usually they use it in their off-roading events.
Okay, nice.
And system is there. It's running with the Pioneer system, and the old speaker is there.
Okay.
Speaker box are the behind.
Okay. दोस्तों आप यहाँ पे speakers देख सकते हैं। इसमें ऊपर नहीं लगा है ना?
नहीं नहीं ऊपर तो नहीं है.
ये gear knob भी change किया?
Yeah, we have changed the gear knob also. Then we have done a cladding on the back.
Okay. So this can be taken off?
Yes, it can be taken off. And you can even see the rear suspension, even that's also running with a single blade. And these are the Yokohama 80 tires. It's called as all-terrain tires,
Okay.
which they use it on road. Whenever the car goes for an event, for an off-roading, these are the tires which they use, which is there on the spare wheel. You can see the difference. Yeah, you can see the difference between the buttons. Those are an 80. These are the empty tires. These are called as mud terrain tires.
Okay. But that is only one tire, right? This one?
Yeah, there's another 4 tires which have kept it there.
Okay.
Whenever he's going for the event,
Okay. Oh, okay.
we replace the tires and give it to him.
अच्छा, आप ही replace करके
Yeah,
देते हैं क्या?
yeah.
अच्छा.
So these tires will go on to the car once again.
Okay, okay.
Once they're back from the event, the mud terrain tires are kept inside.
Okay. ये सही है. 80 all terrain, right?
Yeah, these are the all-terrain tires. Yokohama.
ये भी Yokohama के टायर्स है क्या? ये वाला?
This is, you can see, it's Maxxis Bighorn.
Okay, Maxxis के टायर्स है.
These are the Maxxis Bighorn tires.
Okay, nice. इसमें performance का कुछ किया है क्या अभी तक?
Performance, actually the car was running with 1.3 liter.
Okay.
Now Mr. Prithvi has upgraded the car
Okay.
with an ECM remapped of
Okay.
race dynamic.
Okay.
So as usual, the BHP and the load has been increased. The reason why we went for that is it's running with an AC,
Okay.
air conditioning. So the moment you use your AC, usually there's a power drop.
Correct.
So to remap that, the ECM has been remapped.
Okay.
So the BHP has been increased.
Okay.
Vasant, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಗಿ ಬಾ.
ये तो बड़ा पसंद आया मुझे.
Yeah, I'll just show you.
This is waterproof also. Right?
Yeah, it's waterproof.
Let's see. बोल रहे हैं. अच्छा complete clip में ही है.
Yeah. Now we usually roll it.
Okay. Nice. And tight.
There's a lock.
Nice.
So this can be used as a tub now.
ये सही है. ये तो मतलब पूरा पार्टी वार्टी
Yeah.
मस्त कर सकते हैं इसमें.
Yeah, it's all. And this is an antenna which has been connected to your CB radio.
Oh, okay. It's working one.
Yeah, it's working.
यहाँ पे भी the suspension.
Yeah, in the rear shocks, the front shocks, everything has been painted, matching the wheels.
Okay.
And one more thing is that we have used an Innova shock absorber in the front,
Okay.
and the rear shocks are running with a setup of Xylo,
Oh,
Mahindra Xylo.
Okay.
So it will have a better stability and handling,
Okay.
and even the car runs smooth enough.
Okay.
It will not be too bumpy enough.
Mix of Toyota and
Yeah,
Mahindra.
Mahindra. And apart from that, I can show you. There's some more things.
Let's see the.
This is the power steering,
Okay, power steering.
oil container, and the power steering is over here. It's connected here. Then comes your AC. This is your entire AC.
AC.
5 sections.
Okay.
That's your AC compressor.
Okay.
And it's running with aerodynamic plugs,
Oh, ATM spark plugs. Okay.
and it's a BMC performance
BMC
filter.
filter.
And we upgrade the.
ये भी race dynamics में
No. I have a dealer.
Okay.
Called as Mr. Ponnappa.
Okay.
His company's name is called as Powerhouse.
Powerhouse.
He's been supplying me all this, filters
Okay.
for all the cars.
Okay.
Even for a high-end car,
Okay.
we can go with a performance filter of BMC. Then we have even upgraded the battery also.
Okay.
It's running with an Indica battery
Okay.
for having a more load onto the car.
तो इसका स्टॉक बैटरी में उतना पावर नहीं है.
उतना नहीं रहता है, but being on the safer side,
Okay.
that's a powerful battery which we have got.
Okay. Direct intake system.
Yeah.
BMC बोला ना आपने?
Yeah, BMC का ही है. It's a product of BMC. DI. And it's running with a header.
Oh, this is header. तो
It's-
sound सुना दीजिए.
Yeah, थोड़ा Vasant,
hear the
start the car.
Headers by.
Raj Ansegi.
दोस्तों अभी हेडर्स का
Rev मारो.
ये the sound. मतलब low RPM में sound is very less, right?
Yeah, obviously, see,
Once you rev.
yeah, once you rev it, we have done it up to the high performance in the sense, So it sounds low on a low RPM. The exhaust opens beyond 1500 RPM.
1700.
It's purely tuned up for performance.
I can see.
Yeah, and the rear you can see, it's a hard top. Totally.
Nice, nicely done.
Wasn't bonnet tagwa.
Keshav sir, thank you
Yes.
so much for showing us the Gypsy.
Yeah, sure.
And I hope ऐसे ही हम और भी videos
Yeah.
आपके साथ बना सके और आप please show me the cars that you restore and जो भी आप करेंगे car के
Yeah,
साथ.
sure.
please show me
There's one more project which I have already started.
Okay.
If you have a couple of minutes, I can just
Of
show it
course,
to you.
of course. Let's go.
We have once again started with an old, very old Gypsy once again.
Okay.
It was called as 410 those days,
Okay.
which is a 1987 model.
1987. Okay.
It was running with a 1-liter engine. So even that car we are been totally restoring it, upgrading it for a 1600 cc.
Okay.
That's a Baleno engine.
Okay. Baleno engine.
So this is the body shop which is started now.
तो ये भी complete आप बना लेंगे.
Yeah, this you can see the car now. It's totally a bare skeleton. And this car was actually been belonging to one of my good friend called Mr. Sidram Jetty.
Okay.
You heard of this Jetty groups, those days. And from him it's been bought by one of my other good friend called Mr. Vishal.
Okay.
So he's now told me to change the color and do up the engine. It's going to be running with a 1600 cc.
Okay.
You can imagine the other Gypsy which you saw, that's a 1300. This is going to be a 1600 cc. So this is going to be more powerful than that
आप
car.
दिखाएंगे कि नहीं ये?
Obviously yes, sure.
So
It's,
please let me know once the car is done.
yeah, it's surely, it's still at the initial stages now. It might take at least another 25 to 30 working days.
Okay.
Once it is done up, surely I'm going to call you.
ठीक है.
You can still take a.
Of course, I'll be glad to cover this car also.
Sure. करेंगे.
So दोस्तों वीडियो को हम यही समाप्त करते हैं. I hope you have liked the video with Keshav sir and it's been a pleasure.
Yeah,
you
sure.
were in my channel finally. So
Yeah,
thank you
this
so
case,
much.
yeah, thank you.
And guys, thank you so much and please keep supporting me. Keep liking my videos. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो please consider subscribing and वीडियो पसंद आए तो please like ज़रूर करना. And इसी के साथ we end this video here. So guys, see you and bye bye.